Now coming lecture number 2, page number 183. Okay, fraction quarter we are discussing. Put a tick mark on the picture when 1 by 4 portion is shaded. Okay, like three figure is there. And this part is shaded, this part is shaded, and this part is shaded. Question is you have to put a tick mark when it is 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4 portion is shaded. So see in this how many portion is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 is it is right because 4 is there, so it means 4 parts should be there. And how many parts should be shaded? So that is one part. See only one part is shaded, so this is right. Come to this. In this also how many portion is there? Because here is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's okay. Now how many parts should be? 4 portions should be shaded. So 1. So only 1. So this is also okay. Now come to this figure. So there should be 4. It is asking 4 part. But here is 1, 2, 3 part. So it is wrong. So you need not to take it. Same when you will go second number question, you have to put a cross mark on the picture where 3 by 4 portion is shaded. Okay, like one example, see 3 by 4. See here 3. How many parts? So I is asking 4 part. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. How many part is shaded? 3 parts. You have to put on a cross mark on the picture where 3 by 4 portion is shaded. So if 3 by 4 portion is shaded, so put a cross mark, not tick. With the help of this example, solve this all the questions. Okay, so now we will come to page number 184. Geometry, recognition, RECOGNITION of shape. Recognition of shape. So there is an orange. Okay, orange. If you have seen orange, if you see a ball, if you have seen a marbles, marble means small circle one marble, and if you have seen a football, it all shape is what? Sphere. This all are in this shape is round, but these all are round. These all are round. So due to the round shape, this is known as sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay, S-P-H-E-R-E. Now, in page number 185, I am going to explain in plane surfaces. Okay, plane surfaces. Page number 185, plane surfaces. See, plane surfaces means to say the portion of an object we touch and see is called plane surface. The portion of an object we can touch and see is called plane surface. So see this board. Now this board portion I can touch and I can see. So this is known as plane surface. The portion of an object we touch and see is called its surface. This is known as surface. Okay, actually this is known as surface. Now what is known as plane surface and curved surface? surface means to say totally plain, and curved surface means to say which is curved, round. So like take the example of table. Okay, table or dining table. This is actually plain surface. But when you will take the example of ball, football or cricket ball, this is have curved surface. Okay, it has curved surface. Plain means totally plain. When we see it looks totally signed. Curved surface means which is the surface which is not plain. Okay. So plane surface means we see that rod touches the surface. Rod touches means take like I am giving you the example of this. This duster part, okay, this part take as a rod means scale. Now when I will touch this board, see, so this all part touches. This all plane surface touches. So that's why it is known as plane surface. Okay. But when I will take, say, take the example of this marker only. This marker has curved surface. How see? If I will take this upper part, when I will keep, it will not take all surfaces. So that is not this. That's why it is what? Curved surface. So downside some questions are there. Is the surface of a piece of a paper plain? Paper, yes, plain. The piece of a paper is plain. So try to give this all answer right. So now we'll go for solids with plane surfaces. Solids with plane surfaces. Solids with plane surfaces means brick. If you have seen a brick, if you have seen a soap, a brick, a soap, a box, lunch box, and this is all known as cuboid. This plane surface is known as cuboid, and the real figure of cuboid is this. See, this, okay, so this is real figure of a cuboid. So these all brick, soap, and these all are in the cuboid shape. Now, how many faces has a cuboid? Okay, see, this is known as faces. See, this corner part, this is known as corner. Okay, and this is known as this is known as edge part. Okay, edge, and this face part, this is known as face part. Corner, edge, and faces. So how many faces has a cuboid? So see, cuboid has how many faces? 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you will see a cuboid, it has 6 faces. It has 12 edges. When you will count, you will find 12 edges because this is 3D dimension. I don't have that Ludo one, otherwise I will show. I would have shown you. Now, okay, edges we have seen. Corner. How many corners it has? So it has 8 corners. Okay, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Now, in these, all faces are not equal. Okay, all the faces are not equal, and are all edges of the cuboid equal? No, all the faces are not equal. Okay, FACES, faces are not equal. If only opposite faces are equal. Okay, but all faces are not equal. Opposite faces are equal. Same, edges are not equal. Okay, all the edges are of a cuboid not equal. Edges are not equal. Okay, faces, all the faces are also not equal. Only the opposite faces, this side, and this side is equal. And edges only, not the single edges are equal in a cuboid. So till page number 186 I am just stopping. In next class I will go for page number 187. So for now goodbye to all.